Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify email address in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to the setup. And basically, if you want to verify our user email addresses, we will need just to go to the user setup page. So from here, we need just to search for users and basically there is this user management settings, and from here you can add some settings for your users, and from here we will find our users list. And basically you can click on new user, for example, and from here you can find the email, etc. So now you will need to finish creating this user. So simply fill in all this information. You give it a user license. You add it. You add a role in the given profile, and at the end you will need to save this user. So basically, when you save the user, you will be able to click on it so you can display its information. And all you need to do is to click on any user. And after that, you will find this user or this page layout. And all we need to do is to start verifying the email address. To do so, you will need or we need to search for the email field. So basically here we will find the email field, and here we can see verify. So as you can see, we send a verification link to this email address, and the link will expire after 72 hours. So now all you need to do is to click on verify, and now you will need to accept or confirm, and a verification link will be sent to the user, and this way you will be able to verify the email addresses. Thank you for watching and see you next time.